Vechain is one of the coins that I believe will easily give us more than a 10x in this bull market, and on today's video I will be giving you technical reasons as to why we can easily see a 10x, and above all I will be also sharing my short-term price prediction analysis, so make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the daily chart, where you can all see that we got our bear market lows last year before we started a very aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that peaked this year above the 0.05512, in a move that I have been terming as an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗀𝗃1. And after we peaked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃1, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of these larger 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78. And that is an area that we have now fully maximized, increasing the likelihood that we now have a low in place for that second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe months we can start another aggressive bounce to the upside in a move that I will be terming as the formation of these 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that perfectly lies above the 0.08638 as my minimum target area. And based on the current prices that we have at the moment you manage to fully hit this minimum target area, that will be a perfect 4x to the upside. Then from that point we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃4, then continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃5, whose minimum target areas can be given once we drag the Fibonacci's to this rough estimate that we have for that 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃3, giving us a minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃5 above the fib level 0.618, and that lies above the 0.113002. And the moment you fully manage to hit the minimum target area in that 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃5, that will be more than a 5x to the upside, and if we continue gearing up even higher, then there are high chances that we can easily cash out more than a 10x here on the Vechain chart. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis, where you can all see that on the 5th of August we saw a massive breakdown move in a move that gave us a low below the 0.01895. Then we started a very nice recovery to the upside, where we first peaked in this 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃1. Then we started a bit of a breakdown move in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃2 into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that whatever is playing out at the moment is the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃3, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area above the 0.03028. And in the formation of this 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃3, which is an impulsive 𝗕𝗃𝗃 structure, I also expect to see a micro 𝗕𝗃𝗃 structure in a 5-wave move, where at the time of this recording I believe that we have now peaked in this 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃1. We are now seeing a bit of a pullback in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃2 before we can see another bounce in an 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃3, then a wave 4, and then a wave 5, fully maximizing the minimum target areas above the 0.03. And in this 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗃2, which is a corrective structure, using the Fibonacci's we can get its minimum target areas by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618 that lies between the 0.02389 and the 0.0233, which is the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this blue target area. And there are high chances that in the next coming hours we are going to fully maximize this target area, and if by any chance we lose the fib level 0.618, then the fib level 0.78 needs to continue holding as support, and on holding that target area, then I will be expecting another strong reversal to the upside in an Elliott wave count 3. And once we have the lows for the second wave, I will be able to give you the minimum target areas for that Elliott wave count 3. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Vechain chart on the short term and also on the long term. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you on the next one.